Hi.
Hi.
Today we are going to unboxing a box of chocolate. Okay, if you are lucky, we'll get the raisin. Oh, there's no raisin. Oh, there's raisin. Okay. So are you ready to eat, Mariam?
Yes, I want to eat. Dia macam coklat lah. Boleh menunggu macam tu.
Okay.
Kenyang.
Van Houten.
Yeah, I want to open. Adalah. Open! What? This is my favorite right
Oh,
here.
segarnya.
It's inside
Boleh.
the packaging.
Ini dah ya?
So, dah habis?
Tak ada, dah habis.
Ha.
I know my favorite. It's just going to open it. I know my favorite.
Pour, Mariam.
Cuba beri dulu.
Beli dengan air 90.
Ha?
Cuba. Ini order.
A lot.
Ah.
Wait. So first.
Nah,
Okay. So,
Dah
there,
ada apa?
first we join.
there are...
Mana makan?
Wait. Not yet.
Alah, Maya nak makan.
Gila.
Apa almond kacang?
So, there are... They assorted of whole roasted almond, hazelnut and raisin coated with milk chocolate.
Make sure.
So there are two types of nuts, almond and hazelnut and raisin. So if you are lucky, if you not lucky now, there will be raisin inside.
I want
So
to
you want to guess first?
Yes.
Wait. So
Yeah.
we are going to guess whether this is a raisin
Yes.
or hazelnut or almond. Okay?
Okay.
So you guess first. Which one? Is hazelnut or almond or raisin?
You see.
So I'm going to guess this as raisin. I'm right. Yay.
I want to eat semua.
What do you get? Is it almond or hazelnut?
Hazelnut.
Oh, sure.
It's not hazelnut.
The bigger one mostly and usually will be nuts.
Look at this one. The bigger is got this.
Or if this is almond. I got
You got
hazelnut.
hazelnut.
Yum.
Yummy. Yes. Guess we going to mine.
Are we going to finish everything here? No. That will be the last one. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Wait. Bye.
Like and
Don't forget.
don't forget
Don't forget.
to like and
And
subscribe.
Subscribe my punya channel. Bye. Yum.
Bye, friend.
Bye. Yum.